Let me show you how I make my deliciously wholesome amaranth porridge. Now, this is a great substitute for oatmeal and it's gluten-free. First things first, I'm always starting by washing my dates. I do this by soaking them in boiling hot salted water. I let them boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then when complete, I slice them lengthways and I remove all of the pits. I'm using about a cup of amaranth grain, and I like to wash this before I put it to the boil. In a saucepan, I'm gonna add my amaranth. I'm gonna add a cup to a cup and a half of plant-based milk. I'm using coconut milk. And then I add my chopped dates. You can use date syrup. I use a squirt of maple syrup, Ceylon cinnamon, Allspice, give it a stir. I also like to use a tablespoon of tahini and a tablespoon of sea moss, which has 92 of the 102 essential minerals that the body needs, so it's great. Stir it all together, add the lid, and then just let it cook down. It's that easy. Amaranth porridge is so beneficial. It's an ancient grain. Like I said, it's gluten-free. It's high in protein. It's high in calcium, iron, magnesium. It aids in digestion. It helps with inflammation. It's just a really great grain to add to your diet, and you can dress it with stewed apples and pears, granola. You can topple with whatever you like. It's so nutritious, it tastes delicious, and it's super easy to make. So I hope that you enjoy your amaranth porridge the way that I do, and I'll see you next time.